Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12. All right. Now these cases are called the Volt case. It's the Volt series. The wallet case from Subcase. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at them. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Volt series case designed for iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's for 6.7 inch. 6.1 inch as well, all right? This $19.99 on Prime. It's a nice slim feature, but it's got the wallet case right there. We'll check it out and see what it's all about, okay? Now let's get these out of the box. I don't think these have a front cover, but it's just, all right, so this is the black one right here. Let's get this stuff to the side. And then this is this one's for the 6.7 inch. And let's check out this one here. And this one is for the 6.1 inch iPhone, all right? Let's get this stuff to the side here. Okay, so these two cases are wallet cases. You can see the slot right there for the wallets. Subcase military protection branding on the back. Got the Subcase branding on the bottom, carbon fiber design on the back right there. Now the camera is not raised up a whole lot, but it is raised up some. Now with this kind of hump in the back, you're not going to be touching the surface because it's not really flat, you know, when you put it down. So that's going to, by default, offer some protection there. Okay, now you got the line up for the charging port speakers right there. Volume down rocker and the mute button. Got this design inside, but it's pretty smooth. Got some extra padding there, okay? And I think that's because of this slot right here, but nothing much else on the, got some lines on the side, so you got some grip there. TPU, all right? Now, we're gonna get the devices and put them inside and see what they look like. Okay, so we got the devices. Let's go ahead and put them inside. Let's put the 6.1 inch in first. And there's the fit. Everything comes up above the screen right there, so you got some protection above the screen, but it's nice and slim, nice slim profile. Camera is protected, so you're gonna have some protection there, no problem. Got this back for the cards. You can stick a card in there if you want to. Just slide it in the back right there. And this is not really a regular card there, but you can slide that back in the back right there. So that's pretty cool. Everything lines up on the bottom right there. This doesn't line up all that well, but well, it does, yeah. It's offset a little bit. That might be because it's a model phone. I'm sure the production will be right on spot. Okay, but that's what it looks like. Not too bulky, and you're gonna have a way to keep your cards in the back right there. All right, this is the 6.7 inch iPhone 12 Pro. So that's what, this fits pretty good. It's got good grip, not too bulky, and it fits pretty well. Now on the screen, everything comes up over the top right there, so you're gonna have some protection, not a whole lot, but you still got some protection there. Camera's protected, as you can see that. Got this padding right here. I'm not sure about wireless charge on this, although it might still work, but this might interfere with that, especially if you have cars back there. So wireless charge might be impacted. I can't test that because these are model phones, all right? But I'll come back later to that, all right? But a nice case though. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Subcase Vault series case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max 6.7 inch and the iPhone 12. This is 6.1 inch, all right? Pretty nice case, just a wallet case. You can put cards in the back to hold if you need to. Not too bulky, but they look pretty, and they look pretty good as well, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.